Another wonderful morning here at the Costa Blanca, and today I have perhaps the right property for you, a lovely semi-detached villa in Los Balcones. My name is Marcel from Inmo Investments and welcome to another video. We're starting here with the front yard. This orientation is west facing, so you can come directly in with your car. You can park on plots. You have this easy maintenance all tiled throughout, so very easy to maintain. But even though it's planted with some Mediterranean plants such as the palm tree, olive trees and some flower pots. We are here at the backyard this villa has to offer. I think, in my opinion, it's very private and enough space to build your own private pool. At the moment, they just use it as a sitting area. Also at the back of me, you can see a lovely summer house. The owner likes the Moroccan-Style, so it has like Moroccan-Style inside, but it's simply lovely. You're gonna see it on the video. Additionally, you have two more storage rooms with all the garden furniture or garden tools inside.
And well-connected area on the Costa Blanca. Our daily amenities are close by, including shops, restaurants, markets, and the Lasagna Boulevard shopping center. Several golf courses, such as Villa Martin and Campo Mar, are just minutes away. Beautiful beaches like Lasagna, Playa Flamenca, and Campo Mar Beach are also nearby, perfect for enjoying the Mediterranean lifestyle. This location offers comfort, convenience, and the best of Spanish coastal living.
Right, this property offers two covered porches. You have one at the back where I'm right now, but you also have another one at the front. So this is ideal to go with the sun. This is a perfect dining area, even though you can also open up the windows so you get the fresh breeze to the inside where the living area is located. Right, we continue with the living room, plenty of sitting space. You have a fireplace, but also you have air conditioning. All right, let's show you the bedrooms. So here we have the first bedroom to my left-hand side, also with air conditioning and fitted in wardrobe. Bathroom with walk-in shower. And if we go with their second bedroom, also with fitted in wardrobe. At the moment it's used as an office by the owner. And this is the third to the fourth bedroom. So these are both connected, so it can be used as you want, as a fourth bedroom or as an additional office if needed. And these two rooms are covered by this ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower. So from here we go to the kitchen. The kitchen has been recently renovated, so everything is new here. The upper cupboards, lower cupboards, you have the countertop and obviously your gas cooking plates. Then from here we go into the conservatory where the washing machine is located and the hot water boiler. And then from here again we can go out to another glazed in terrace front porch. As I said, those glasses can be opened up. So from here as well, this is perfect in summer, so you get a fresh breeze into it. Of course, now you can go out from here. Right, resuming the details again for you. Semi-detached villa set on a 490 square meters big plot. Enough space to build your private pool, 128 square meters built surface, 3 to 4 bedrooms, fitted in wardrobes, air conditioning, ceiling fans, and the property will be sold partial furnished. If you enjoyed the video, click on the subscribe button, put the thumbs up so we can create more videos for you. See you next time. Ciao.